Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and Spring Boot. Let's look at the development process. So the first step is to create a new component for book details using the Angular CLI. So we're going to make use of the Angular CLI to create a new component, and here is the command for that. ng generate component and the component name. This is going to generate all the necessary files, the CSS file, HTML file, the TS file, and it also updates the app.module.ts file. So the second step is to define a new Angular route for showing the book details. Within the app.module.ts file, we're going to define a new Angular route, books/:id. Here the :id is a parameter to this route, and we're going to pass the book ID as a parameter, and we're going to map it to the book details component. So the third step is to add a router link for books to display the book details. Within the bookread.component.html, we're going to add a router link to the image as well as the book name, and we're going to pass the new Angular route to this router link, and we're going to pass the book ID as a parameter to that route. And the step 4 is to update a view template to show the book details. We're going to create a 2 columns within the book details view template. The first column is for displaying the image, and the second column is for displaying the book information. So for now we are going to hardcode the book information. Later we are going to display the information dynamically. So the step 5 is to update the book service to define a new method for book details. Within the book.service.ts file, we're going to define a new method, and to this method we're going to pass the book ID, and this method will return an observable of book. And within this method we're going to construct a REST URL. We're going to make use of the base URL, and to this base URL we're going to append the book ID. And finally we're going to make use of the HTTP client to make a HTTP GET request to the REST URL, and the response we are mapping it to the book model class. Notice we are mapping it to the model class book instead of interface, because the response which we get from the REST endpoint, that looks like this, and we don't need to extract the data from _embedded, so we are directly mapping it to the model class book. So the step 6 is to update the book details component to define a new method for book details. So within the bookdetails.component.ts file, we're going to create a new book object, and to the constructor we're going to inject the activated route and the book service, and then we're going to define a new method. Inside this method we're going to make use of the activated route to get the parameter. We're going to make use of the snapshot approach to get the parameter, and the parameter will return a string, and to make use of the plus operator to convert it into an integer. And finally we're going to make use of the book service to call a service method, and then we're going to subscribe to that method. To the subscribe method we're going to pass a parameter. That parameter will be an arrow function, and we're going to assign the response to the book field which we have defined in the above. And the last step is to update the view template to show the book details dynamically. So within the book details view template, we're going to make use of the Angular interpolation to display the book information. Alright, we have a 7 step to complete this feature. In the next video, we're going to start developing this feature step by step. That is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.